this is going to be a quick little tutorial of how to use our Google Classroom page. You can see our class up here, kindergarten, and this is section 1A. So this is where I will be posting some of our materials that we will be going over with. You can see where my cursor is. If you have any concerns about the class or the work, or if there's anything I can help you or your student with, you can just comment it here and I will be able to see it. This is where announcements, if school is being canceled, will be posted. I just wanted to quickly show you some of the things that I had. So if you click on the shapes worksheet, it will take you to a Google Doc in which you can see that these are the shapes we're going over for this week: the star, triangle, square, and the circle. Then you can just close out of here, and then off to the side there is a home button where you can see all of your classes, and then right here, this is our document for the months of the year, if you ever want to go over these with your student or anything. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is available, and it's very simple to use. The class code here, this is also where the invite link is, so please let me know if I missed anybody's email or anything. And yeah, I hope that we all can collaborate on this Google Classroom.